Look, Sreeja, I got a new game. Is it fun? It's amazing! Look at this!
Breakfast is ready.
I'm coming.
Neil, you're still playing.
Just one more minute.
Neil, come on. Your breakfast is getting cold. Wait, I'm almost finished.
Where's my breakfast?
You said you weren't hungry.
I'm hungry now.
You should have come earlier.
Thank you.
We're going to the park at 3 o'clock.
Really? Can we bring our bikes?
Sure.
Neil, aren't you excited? Yes, but I need to finish this level first.
Again?
Just one more minute.
I'm finished with my homework. Neil, you need to do your homework.
I'll do it later.
But we're going to the park at 3. I have plenty of time.
Oh no! It's almost 3. I have so much to do. I told you. Nah!
What's wrong?
My battery is almost dead.
Did you charge it?
No.
Where's your charger?
I don't know.
Is this what you're looking for?
Yes! Thank you!
It's time to go.
Dad, I haven't finished my homework.
Then you can't come with us yet.
What? But I want to go.
You had plenty of time.
You kept saying, 1 more minute.
Can I finish it quickly?
Finish your responsibility first. I'll stay here with you.
I should have stopped playing. Look, we found a really cool bike trail. I wish I had come with you.
You can come next time, but remember, games can wait.
I have an idea. What idea? I'll finish my homework first.
And when can you play?
After my work is finished.
Good plan.
Sreeja, do you want to play outside? Sure, now it's game time. Only for a little while, I know.
Everyone watches our videos, but nobody likes or subscribes.
Really? You watched our video? Give us a like and please subscribe. It will make Sreeja happy. Thank you.